all are fine. Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 5. Introduction to Scratch Programming. I have divided the chapter in 3 sessions and this is the first session. So are you all ready? But before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area and use headphones for better sound quality and sit with all your essential stationery. So let's begin. So first of all, tell me, what do you do if you have to reach the roof of your house? आपको छत पे जाना है, so how will you go there? You will go by stairs, right? Will you go like this? Will you just jump anywhere in the middle of these stairs and start going? Do you? Will you go like this? No, na? You always use this way, right? First you step on the first stair, then on the second, then on the third, like you go stepwise, right? Whenever you have to do a certain task, you always do it in steps, right? You all see your mothers cooking in the kitchen. So if she has to make chapatis, what does she do? First of all, she kneads the flour, right? Then she arranges all the materials, chakla, belan and everything that is needed to cook chapatis, right? And then she starts cooking. Like she does it, like she cooks the chapatis with steps, right? Steps are to be followed for doing anything. Same is with computer. If a computer has to do any task, it has to perform certain steps, okay? And these steps, performing the task in stepwise, is called programming, okay? It is called a program. Program is a stepwise instruction, okay? All these things that are done stepwise and doing the things stepwise is programming, okay? There are so many computer programs. Some are these. WordPad. WordPad is a computer program, okay? TuxPaint. We all have used TuxPaint now. TuxPaint is also a program. It does the task in steps, okay? And one such program is Scratch. Scratch programming is used to develop various things. We will learn about Scratch programming in our coming videos, okay? So, what is Scratch programming? Scratch program is used to create games, animated stories and projects with ease. You all love playing games, right? Now you can even create them. You can create a game of your choice. This is such platform, okay? Scratch programming gives you the opportunity or allows you to create games and animated stories and projects, and they are very easy to produce and also they are very easy to create in Scratch, okay? Next, we only have to drag the blocks of instructions to create a program, okay? There are lots of instructions, blocks of instructions are given. We only have to drag them and place them in the work area. We make programs in Scratch by only dragging the ready-made blocks, okay? The blocks are already given. We only drag them and place them in sequence in which we want the animation or game to be created, okay? Now, how will you start Scratch? How will you open Scratch? Let's learn it, okay? First of all, you have to click on the Start button. The first step is click on the Start button. Where is the Start button? It is here, okay, on the screen. When you will click the start button, a lot of options will appear. You have to select all programs. Okay. Here is the all programs and you will click on all programs. Then a list of commands will come. You will click on scratch. Okay. Third step is click on scratch and scratch window will appear. This is the scratch window. See the interface. This is scratch programming window. Okay. Have you ever seen this before? If not, just download the scratch programming in your laptops or in your computers. I have also given the link. Okay. I will share the link with you and just install the program first. Okay. Now, what are the components of Scratch? We have learned about the components of TouchPaint also now. Now we will learn about the components of Scratch. In Scratch, there is a sprite, stage, block palette, script area. These are all the components of Scratch. All these things are present on the window of the Scratch programming. Okay. Now we will see where are all these things on the screen. This is the Scratch programming window. On the top, this is the title bar. Okay. On this, the title of this Scratch project will be displayed. Okay. This is the title bar. Next, we have menu bar. This is the menu bar. Can you see this? This is the menu bar. Different tabs are here, are present in the menu bar. File, edit, all these tabs are present in the menu bar of the Scratch programming. Okay. Next we have block help. This question mark, this is block help bar. Okay. You can see in your book for clear picture. Okay. This picture must be blurred because this is the recording now. So you just see your book. Okay. This is block help. Then we have cursor tools here. All these things are labeled. It's very easy, and when you will use it, you will better understand the components. Okay. This is the view full screen option. This blue option in the blue, this is view full screen. When you click on this, the tab, the window, it will cover the full screen. Okay. Next, this is the stage or the work area. Okay, this is the work area. Here, all the things that we do, or all the instructions, all the blocks that we have dragged, they will work here. Okay. This is sprite, it moves. By default, the sprite is CAD, but there are so many sprites, a lot of sprites that you can select from. Okay. So this sprite will do the task first. It moves, it dances, it speaks, does so many things that we tell us. This is the stage. Okay. Stage or work area is stage. Okay. Next, here are new sprite buttons. From these buttons, we can choose a new sprite. Like in place of cat, there can be some other characters. There are so many categories also, and a lot of sprites. Okay, that we can choose from. Next, all the sprites that we will select will be appeared here. Okay, this is only one sprite. That's why one is indicated. Okay, if there will, as we will select more sprites, we can select a lot of sprites in one project. So all the sprites that we will select will be displayed here in this sprite list. Okay. Next is backdrop icons. We can change the background of our stage. Okay. If you are creating a game, or if you are creating an animation story, you will need a background and so many images now. So you can choose any image from anywhere. This sprite programming, it too has some backgrounds. You can choose from them, or you can even choose from your gallery. Okay. So you can choose them from here, from backdrop icons. Next we have, these are the tabs. Okay, script, costumes, sound, all these are the tabs, and a lot of, when you will select one tab, the different options of that tab will appear and you will select from that. Okay, here these are the block menu. Okay, these are the This is the block palette. You have to drag this block here. This is the script area. Here you write the script. Script is what? When we perform a play or किसी भी movie का script होता है ना कि step wise this person has to say this, इसके बाद this will happen, है ना? So this is the script area. You will drag the block here. सबसे पहले sprite will do this, then it will do this. Whatever blocks you will drag, the sprite will perform in the same way. Meaning you have to create your script here in this area by dragging the blocks from this block palette. Okay? You can add sounds to your project. You can give a different background to your project. There are lots of things that you can do in Scratch. You can create games, you can create animated stories and so many things. Okay? It will be very fun in doing this, but first you will have to download Scratch program in your computers. Okay? Now, what is sprite? We have seen the sprite now, the small cat. What is this? Small graphic character. It is a small graphic character. It can be anything, not only cat, but can be anything. Okay? It performs the actions in Scratch products. Whatever script we will prepare, the cat or the sprite, it will perform that. Okay? It performs the actions. There are number of sprites in Scratch. I have already told you now. There is even a category from which you can choose. Like there are fantasy, there is fantasy and transportations. You can use any transport. You can use cartoons. Lot of things. Okay. So there are so many sprites, and cat is the default sprite. Okay. Next we have stage. What is stage? We have seen a stage. I have told you the work area. That is the stage, okay, where your sprite performs the actions, okay. You can watch stories, play games and run Scratch projects in the work area. The script that you prepare, that works or that is played here, okay, in the work area. Next we have block palette. We have seen a block palette, what it is. It contains a set of blocks. So many blocks are there in the block palette. Each block performs a specific task in a project. Okay? Every block is given a task or there is an activity like move 10 steps ahead, take a right turn, take itna degree left. These are all the blocks. It is only an instruction. Okay? Each block performs specific task. Okay? And it is used to create scripts in Scratch. You create scripts using different blocks. And what does block contain? What is a block? It is a instruction. A block contains an instruction. Okay? Next we have script. What is a script? Script is any written format according to which a person or they have to act. Like we have script in the play, we have script for movies, and we prepare it so that we can do it in a planned way, right? So this is the script in the Scratch. We have to prepare a script using the blocks. We drag the blocks and create a script. Okay? Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to the sprite to do specific tasks. And a script contains at least 2 blocks. Okay? A single block doesn't make a script now. It is a block only. At least 2 blocks must be there to make a script. Okay? And we also call it a program. Program is what? Program is also stepwise instruction. And in script there are also steps in which the blocks are arranged. So a script is also called a program in Scratch programming. You understood now what is a program? This stepwise instruction given to anyone, like any steps that are followed to perform a specific task is the program. Okay? Stepwise instruction. Okay? Script is also called a program. Next we have script area. Script area you have seen it was here, है ना? Where you drag the blocks to create the script. Place where you create a script for sprite to do a specific task. Okay? Where you drag the blocks to create a script, the action that your sprite will follow. Okay? That your sprite will do. See this. Again, we are on the scratch window. This is the work area. Okay? This is the sprite. Then these are the blocks. Okay? We have learned about blocks now. This instruction given to the sprite. This is the sprite. All the instructions that we will give to the sprite, we will drag those instructions to the script area. Okay? There are so many instructions. Okay, there are you can add sounds. There is an block to add sounds. You can even repeat the loop. Okay, your sprite will repeat the steps. So there is a block for that also. So you will drag all the required blocks on this script area. Okay, it is very easy to use. When you will try a hand on script programming, then you will find it easy. Okay, abhi to I am giving only lecture. That's why you are thinking that it's very complex, but it's not. Okay, and here is the block menu. Okay, you can change the menu and the blocks of that menu will appear here. Okay, this the palette on which blocks are placed there, that is known as block palette. Okay, now I have an assessment. Only one question: what is a program? An easy one. Write the answers in your copies and pause the video and just resume it afterwards, and we will discuss the answer. So have you written? Okay. What is a program? Program is nothing but the stepwise instructions. Okay? Instructions given in steps is a program. Okay? Program is a stepwise instruction. Now your homework is that you have to download Scratch and try using it. Just download it from this link. This is the link for downloading Scratch programming. Download Scratch and try a hand on it. At least see all the components and whatever is given in your book, try doing that. Only then you will understand the next video lecture better. Okay? Just try a hand on Scratch to make it clear. This and in the next video we will learn about using the Scratch. How you will use the Scratch. We will make a small project or a small animation in the Scratch. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.